Welcome to seMikeDocumentary. As you can see, Anderson versus City of Naples. This case number isn't complete for a reason because they was using it to fabricate a fraudulent docket. This is the tool that they use. What you see here on the screen didn't emanate from the Middle District nor the 11th Circuit Court of Appeals. This is a website that they use to duplicate, well, not even duplicate, because when you duplicate something, it's the exact same information, but to make a similar looking document or docket. So what I would like to draw your attention to, number one, is the case number isn't complete. After these numbers, there should be letters / initials to identify the judge, magistrate, whoever resided over the case. Secondly, I would like to draw your attention to last update, February 22nd, 2023, 10:15 a.m. That means that though they would like the case to appear as if it was an old case, and as you can see, it is not. This is less than a year ago. And anytime you commit a crime, the statute of limitation doesn't expire until after doesn't begin until after the last act of criminal activity. So as you can see, this is something I can prove that this is the last update, February 22nd, 2023, 10 a.m. Now, the parties that were involved one is named. This is Sherry Postal Chapel. This is the magistrate judge in the case. This same magistrate judge, as I spoke of in previous videos, the defendants didn't want to practice before a black judge. So she accommodated them by creating a fraudulent docket. So as you can see down below, they have date of last known filing, May 3rd, 2013. But a docket cannot be updated after it's been closed. But this particular proceeding has never officially been opened. Now, that I've gotten that out of the way, I'm going to scroll. I hope I don't make you dizzy here. But this is, and while we're here, I'll come back to this at another time. It's a cause. That is the cause of action, 42-1981, civil rights. That's not what I filed. And so the essence to this is you can have everything to a T, but if the cause of action is incorrect, then the judge does not have jurisdiction over the case. And like I said, I'll come back to that because I have in writing from myself litigating what was actually filed was a 1983 civil rights claim against the city of Naples. So that was another deliberate act to thwart the case. So again, I hope I don't make you dizzy. And this is the tool that they use, one of the tools. Now, what we have here is the docket that they use to create the fraudulent docket. So everything here appears to be from the original docket. However, what she did was eliminate the original judge, which had the initials CEH, Judge Charlene Edward Honeywell, and she only used her name, Sherry Postal Chapel. So we'll go back to that. And again, I hope I don't make you dizzy, but this is very important. So the only name you see there is her name. That is the magistrate judge, Sherry Postal Chapel. She was a magistrate at the time. She's currently a federal judge now, but she was a magistrate at the time. And so what I would like to also do is show you how they further So this is how they further exercise lawlessness. You see where I spoke on cause of action 42:1981, civil rights. Now I'm going to click on that. Excuse me. Now what comes up is I was appealing the case, but they inserted what they wanted the judges to see, even though it never went to the 11th Circuit Court of Appeals. Now this is a new page. And I'm going to scroll up. And here you see documents. And these are the entries that the judge would be required to look at concerning an appeal.